What is up, guys? Jeremy here, and welcome back to another video. So I'm going to be showing you guys how to change your wallpaper in RealWeather version 2. This is a super common question that I see people asking on how to change the wallpaper to whatever wallpaper you want. So like I said, I'm going to show you guys how to change that with the shortcut. So first off, do note that with this shortcut, it does use a default system. It is the weather walls, and we can go into files and I'll show you what that is. So there's two folders here. There is weather walls home screen and weather walls lock screen. And if you go into this folder, as you can see, these are all of the different wallpapers that RealWeather uses. And this is based off of current weather conditions of your current location. So depending on what weather conditions you have, it will display a different wallpaper. You know, I think this concept is really awesome, but a lot of people don't want to use that. They want to disable those walls and use their own wallpaper with the rest of it, with the icons and the temperature and all that. So I'm gonna, again, like I said, I'm going to show you guys how to edit this. So first thing you're going to want to do is go into your shortcuts, and you're going to want to edit the shortcut for the home screen or the lock screen, depending on which one you want to customize the wallpaper for. So go into the home screen. That's what I'm going to be changing. Like I said, if you want to do the lock screen, it's the same thing. And you will see right here, there's an option for use weather walls home screen. Change that to no, because you don't want to use those weather-based wallpapers. And then there is an option for an overlay. So if you guys don't want the overlay there as well, you can choose one for that, and that will remove the overlay. So I'm going to go ahead and click done on it because I've already changed it. And as you guys will see, when I run the shortcut here, I just have a regular wallpaper right now, but when I run the shortcut, it will change it to the way I have it set up. So let's just go ahead and run the shortcut. We can exit out of shortcuts. It can update on its own in the background, and there you go. As you can see, this is the weather wall setup I have right now. I have it completely stripped away, and I just have the weather icon in the lower left there, which I think is a pretty cool, simple little look to it. But the way you're going to want to change the wallpaper is in the file systems. In the main folder here, you can see there is home screen under dash day, and then there is home screen under dash night. So this is the wallpaper that it will use for the home screen, depending on what time of the day it is. Now you can make both of the wallpapers the same, that way it doesn't change from day to night, but it's pretty cool that you have that option to have it change. So I'm going to change it for you guys. What I'm going to do is I'm going to go into my photos, and I'm going to change it to this wallpaper here. And how you can do this is just go ahead and click on the little arrow there and copy the photo. Just go ahead and copy it, and then you can go back to the file system, and I'm actually just going to click on a blank spot there and just click on paste. So now I have my PNG image there. This actually might be an issue. I'm not sure. I think that the wallpapers do need to be a JPEG. So I think what I'll do is actually delete this. I didn't realize I had that as a PNG. And I'm going to show you guys how I can easily change that to a JPEG. So I have an application here called Pixelmator. This is a photo editing application. It's one of the best in my opinion. So I'm going to back up, and then I'm going to go ahead and click on the plus button there. And then I'm going to choose my photos, and then I'm going to choose that photo that I was going to do. I'm going to import it. So it's importing, it's a PNG image. I'm going to go ahead and just export it. So we're going to do send to iCloud Drive. When you click this option, it gives you the option to change its format, and I'm going to choose JPEG. And then we can choose which file directory we want to move it to, when we'll move it right into iOS weather in shortcuts. So this is literally going to put it right into the folder for me. So I'll click on save. So be sure that you have the correct formatted image as well. You might have to do a little editing to get that right. But if we go into this folder now, let me actually back out of it and then go back. Oh, actually I put it in the main. So I'm just going to drag and drop that into the folder just like that. And now what I'm going to do is I'm going to change it for the home screen. So we have two different versions, one for day, one for night. So what I like to do is I like to edit the originals. If you guys want to keep them, as you can see, I still have them. It's home screen under dash day 1, home screen under dash night 1 right there. So I did put a 1 at the end to save the photos in case I ever want to use them again. So I don't really want to save the custom ones I have just because I'm replacing them. So I'm just going to go ahead and delete those out of the file system. And then what I'm going to do is, since we need 2 versions, I'm going to take this image and then duplicate it. And now we're going to go ahead and rename the file to home screen _day, and these have to be spelled exactly. They are case sensitive, and the Shortcuts app will look for the exact name to pull it from files. So it's going to be capital H, capital S, underscore, and then we're just going to switch to lowercase day, just like that. So home screen _day, click on done. And then the same thing for the other image. This is going to be for night. Go ahead and rename that. And that's going to be home screen _night, and night is all lowercase. Click on done. And that's really all you got to do. Now the wallpapers for my home screen have been basically edited with RealWeather. So now what we can do is run the shortcut, and you guys will see the changes take effect here. You will see that I have a new wallpaper for my home screen. And there you go. It's as easy as that. Now, of course, it doesn't look quite as cool with this type of wallpaper, how I have that weather icon. So I'll go through shortcuts and actually probably change the icon set and move it around a little bit. But that's basically how you're going to change the wallpapers with RealWeather version 2. Like I said, at the beginning of the video, you can keep that overlay there if you want. You will be able to see your wallpaper through the overlay. It's just up to you whether you want it there or not. What I'd recommend is maybe to try the shortcut with it enabled and then once with it disabled to see which one you like better. But essentially, that's how you're going to change your wallpapers in RealWeather version 2. If you guys haven't seen my first video of RealWeather on how to install it and initially set it all up, I'll leave a link for that down in the description. But anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, definitely throw me a thumbs up. That helps me out a lot here at the channel. If you guys want more information on RealWeather and to see awesome setups that have been created with it, be sure to check out the iHEAVEN Discord. Link will be in the description. But anyways, I'll catch you guys in the next one. Later.